Well, the winds have really been grabbing the headlines today with just how blustery it has been, and went through some of the numbers. And here's a look at some of the highest gusts we've seen since midnight across the Bluegrass. The highest gust that I could find has been at the Bluegrass Airport, where we saw a measured gust of 51 miles an hour. Just to the east on I-64 in Mount Sterling, a 46 mile an hour gust. To the south in London, a 44 mile an hour gust. You see Jackson nearly 40, and then Ashland right near the West Virginia line, a gust of 36 miles an hour. And a lot of these gusty winds, they're not going anywhere anytime soon. You see, we've got the wind advisory in effect through this evening for just about all of us, except you work your way toward the Ohio River, a handful of counties right along the Ohio line where winds are expected to be a little bit less, just not eclipsing advisory criteria. So maybe you operate a high-profile vehicle, or you know somebody that does, just warn them that it is going to be a tough drive through the Bluegrass. They'll be getting blown all over the road with these very strong winds. Coupled with the winds, we're going to see showers kind of coming and going, and slowly falling temperatures. Our daytime high was reached this morning, and we're going to see those temperatures really falling. And notice by later, wind chill values will be into the 20s, and they will also continue to come down as well, as any remaining shower activity is going to mix with or change over to snow shower and flurries once the sun sets, most likely. Could we see some light accumulations? Possibly, especially get some enhancement here in the mountains, the Highway 119 corridor, most likely on grassy surfaces, elevated surfaces, maybe your windshield or your roof. By tomorrow morning, a lot of that really starts to wind down, but we're left with the breezy conditions. So not as windy tomorrow, but still on the breezy side. So just keep that in mind as well. Normal high is 52. Many of these numbers were reached earlier today. They'll continue to fall as we go through the afternoon and into the evening, bottoming out by tomorrow morning for many of us, just south of the freezing mark of 32 degrees. You see those numbers here for just about everybody, with maybe a couple of flurries still flying around. You look at the extended forecast, we could have a weak system bringing a couple of showers Friday night and into Saturday. Cooler day on Saturday, only upper 40s. Then we turn our clocks ahead Saturday night and into Sunday by an hour as daylight saving time gets underway, and much warmer temperatures arrive by early next week.